you guys, my brother's getting the toys, so like he'll be there in a bit. So like I think he's gonna be here. Like, oh, what's up? You got them? Put it there. Wait, come, you're gonna do it with me. So which one was your favorite? You'll get to pick them out.
The apple.
This one was my favorite. So these were my favorite.
This one was my favorite.
Hold on. Get all the stuff that was your favorite. Okay. I'm gonna get one bell. And so these were all the stuff that was my favorite.
This was all the stuff that was my favorite.
So now we're gonna play with all of them.
And we're gonna show you the noise too.
Yeah. Okay. Next. Put them back. Put that one back. Wait. Don't start yet. Yeah. That's good. Yeah. Okay.
What can I smell? Oh, it smells so good.
Make sure you get the dog too.
Nah.
No, you have to use the dog so it's even. So next. Wait, never mind. It's so funny that we're kind of having the same favorites.
Yeah.
Okay, next. Put this away.
I'm doing the apple.
I mean this. Yes. Oh, I can't open it. I broke it. On.
Stop.
Okay, we can't do this. Okay. This one was one of my favorites, but I forgot to do it. I forgot to do it, guys.
You can still do it.
Okay, it's good. Bye. Thanks for watching our episodes. Wait.